Hello guys, this is my second video. Very nice to see you all. Today we are gonna get some dinosaurs in the dinosaur area. Dinosaur frontier, I guess. Let's go. First, you need to unlock dinosaur frontier. If you don't have it, just play the game more often and you can get enough money. After you go to Jurassic Frontier Zone, you go get the yes, you see it right here. You can get it for free. It's not a quest or anything. To get the mirrors, you must try to chase it down. Right here. Here's the mirrors. And to get the Velociraptor, I'll show you. First, you must go to this guy. Usually he's a run. You must go to this guy. Velociraptor specialist. This scientist we're going to use later on. For this, bring me 5 iron ore to real. To get 5 iron ore, I'll show you. Basically go near the volcano. Like right over here. Go near the volcano. Luckily I got such a big jump. Right, I'll show you. Mel. Okay, that was my little brother, don't mind. We need to go right over here. Yeah, so if you go to the lava, if you hit the lava, you die instantly. You won't lose health like a little bit only, but you will actually die instantly. So you need to get better, get cheetah or cloud, anything that has super run, or double jump or something. Double jump and super jump. Okay. To double jump, I am gonna choose the cheetah right over here.
Your video? Huh?
And then you need to, you also need, cheetah is very good for this map because it's fast and can jump. Look how fast the legs work. Yeah. And also the velociraptors can try to kill you. They're basically in the bushes, like they can come out right there. Let's go. And look how fast is this. And you must literally just step on them. Collect them right there. And it looks like this. Basically, I got 5. I got 5 right now. If you want to go shortcut, just do this. And you look. Okay. Okay, so now you need to go back to the thing and he'll give you a trap.
What trap?
Good quality iron. You want to make a trap for you? You have it right in your inventory. And you need to put it right over here. Just tap it like that. Lure this Velociraptor right into that trap right there. It's very awkward. But lure the Velociraptor into the trap. He'll get stuck and now you can tap it and it will you will have it. I'm going to show you for a demonstration. Look at this. Like that. You go to the trap right here and stand right here. You jump to step on it and you will get one right there. And I have it right here.
Wait. I want to fill it with water.
And next one is to get the egg. The egg, you need to have one blood. To get one blood, you need this. It counts as blood right over here. It is blood. And you must do this 7 times. You would be lucky if it glitch. And then, yeah, you can see it. 1 bone. Now I need 4 more to go. Another one is here.
I don't know how much. 20?
Right here. And next one is here. Just basically tap as fast as you can, like that. I use my hands. You try not to load in. Nothing here. We already have 3 bones. Now we need 2 more bones. The scientist says.
Dodo. Ow.
And also must tap the wood.
Okay. Sun's
Right there.
down. I don't know what to do. So my husband is here. My husband don't know what to do. So I have to plump. Robot plump. I think that's plump.
Sorry about that. That was just an arrow. And when you are done, you go to the scientist right here. And he can create a dinosaur egg. You actually will get a random chance of getting this, or this. I got this on my hand, and I can get this right here. Next one is to get a termite. So basically, tap all the trees like this. I'm gonna show you. You see this bar? So tap all the trees. I got 9 trees right now. 10. Sorry, it's taking slow. But I would appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe. And I would post sooner, I guess. Here we got 20. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I've got one more. Right there, 30 wood. Exact 30 wood. And you can go right over here.
Winky. I hope it's Winky. Oh no!
Yeah, you also must go to the volcano. But don't need to collect. You see this termite? You will say, wood awesome. You actually need 30 to drop to get him. After that, you must go to this area, a volcano.
Save him.
I can do this, look at this.
He's so dumb.
You can just jump through and you will get the pterodactyl if you tap him.
Save her.
Okay. And there's one Sambira right there. What else I have not shown?
And do that.
I think that's all I have shown for today. Yep, that's all. Okay, next one. Next one, we are gonna do. I'll try to tell me in the comments what you want to do. I'm gonna go do one more before we go, and go. So you need to wait. We need to go to Savannah Zone. This is very hard, but try to do it. You actually must. If you already know what is this, you must kill a lot of poachers. I think. How much poachers I don't know because I 150 I think, and it's right here. To kill them, you just need to touch them, like click on them, and you need to be in range. You click on the blue, and they are already dead. But don't walk on your dead body. They still can kill you with your dead body. And that's the ostrich. But I don't, feed 5 pigs. And this is elephant ghost. And that's, look at this. I'm free, thank you. After you kill 150 poachers, you say I'm free, thank you. So try your best to complete this. And bye bye, and see you next time. Peace out.